So we shall see how best that we can do the core cavity extraction of this. Select on manufacturing, and then with the mold cavity, assign a suitable name. Then click on OK. Here I'll be taking at the here we shall be taking the units as MMNS mold manufacturing millimeter Newton per second. Click on OK. We will be entering the molding parameters. Here, first thing is what you have to, under the mold tab, we should look for a reference model. Click on reference model, then go for locate reference model. Select the part which we need to have our extraction and core cavity. Click on then. Here I will take with the same model. Then go OK. Then before clicking on OK, just view the preview. Okay. In this case, this is not the case where our mold has to be opened. We want to assign the part along towards the pull direction. Means like the mold has to open in this direction. This is not the case. Either we can change the pull direction, or else we can align the part as per the pull direction. So I usually always prefer to have the part aligned with the pull direction. In this case, to rearrange the part, click on reference model origin, and then click on dynamics. Here just on click on 90 degree. So this is rotating us with respect to x-axis. Click on OK, then just see the preview. Okay, this is not the case, but we require. Click on over here, this over here, and click on again 90 degree. You will see again preview. Okay, this is not the case. It is no, this is not the case. I want to this 180 degree. Click on preview. Yes, this is the case which I need to have out. Look, see now in this case, the pull direction is exactly parallel to the planes. Just click on OK and OK. Control D. Next step is adding the workspace to our model. So where can we find that? Under the mold tab, we have completed the reference model and aligned as per the pull direction. That is the first step we have completed, and then we'll go ahead with the second step, that is with adding the workspace. Click on workspace. Always better to take with automatic workspace. Click on automatic workspace and then click on the mold origin. There is one more window popping up which tells all the parameters, like what is the x direction, y direction, and z direction, boundary. Everything has been highlighted. So here what we have to select on the mold origin. Click on the mold origin and select the model. This is the origin, like where exactly all the three planes gonna meet over there. That is the point. We have to click on that thing, and then you can see we need to change. This is the exact boundary. So if it is perhaps slightly more than what is required, so I'll take it as 60. Same happens with even y direction. I'll take it as 60 in this case. This is as per the mold designer requirement, like as whatever you feel comfortable and confident enough in manufacturing, select the same. And Z is 87.5. Here I'll take it as the overall height has to be 35. So once everything is done, just click on OK and then Control D. We have completed under the mold tab. We have completed the reference model, and then we have also completed the workpiece. What is the next step? First is with the reference model, and then with workpiece, and then with the shrinkage. Click on shrinkage by scale, and then here just click on tab, find now, and select the part. This is the part we need to add. Just click on over here, then close. Add the suitable shrinkage ratio 0.015 for any reference. I'll just take this as the reference and add, You could see there was a change in the model. So let's click on OK. So now we have added the shrinkage. So how to come out from the screen from this module, Control and G. So once we regenerate, we are out from the command mode. So we have added the shrinkage values to the model, to the reference model, whatever we have taken. And how to we verify the same? Go to analysis, click on shrinkage information. So here it defines everything. What is the model name? The model name is what the model is shrunk by scaling and shrink coordinates. And this is the formula that has been considered, and this is the values. So there is a uniform shrinkage. This ensures that we have added the shrinkage value. So select on the workpiece module, go to view, under model display, go to component display, click on wireframe module. So this is the thing where we were. So once this is done, again come back to, we are under the view tab right now. Come back to the mold tab. Okay, we have completed shrinkage, and then we need to add the parting line. So what exactly parting line? The shell out curve. Just click on the shell out curve. So we can see there is an automatic parting line the Creo has identified. So whenever we are having a draft, after draft, the extreme end of the draft, there will be a parting curve. So that is taken as a shell out curve. Okay, this is the one what is we required. Let's click on OK. Once this is done, you can take it as a parting line or parting surface, anything you can rename it. And then next thing is just click on the parting surface. Okay, we have completed the shrinkage. Reference model done, workpiece done, shrinkages we have added, shell out curve. Shell out curve is also added. And then pull direction, yes, it is as it is to the direction where it has to be pulled out. And then parting surface, click on parting surface, and here these are different models. Here I'll be using only, we are explaining on the skirt surface. Click on skirt surface, select a feature containing curve. Okay, this is the curve. Then click on OK. Check on the preview. See, this is the preview. Yes, this is what I required. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Come out from here. Control D. We have completed the parting surface. What is the next step? Is reference part cut off. Click on reference part cut off and click on yes. This will see. We can see there are two different core cavity split. The split is happening exactly towards the parting surface. Correct. Then click on this is what I need. So it is fine. Go ahead. Click on OK. So what is that? We have completed reference part cut out. Then we have to go with the mold volume. I have to split this thing. So mold volume. So what exactly I have to? I'm splitting the entire thing into two different halves. So mold volume, then volume split. Then with the select the molds volume to be split. This is the complete volume split. Correct. And then what is the next thing you need to have is you need to select a parting surface, which so parting as so how to select a parting surface. Either you can select from the model tree over here, or else if you go track towards the model, there you can select the surface. Yes, this is what it is. Once we have selected both, then just come to volume, just click on volume 1. Okay, this is what it is. Now what is it? This is with my core part. So what is going on? I'll call it as core. And what is this? This is exactly what we call it as a cavity. So what do you call it as? CAVI cavity. Okay, this is click on OK. So we have created. So what is that hitting this? What we will do is we'll just click on mold component, click on cavity insert, select both the entities, click on OK. So we have created core and cavity. So we can directly open now. See? Close it down. We have added the core. Next is create molding. Just click on create molding and have a name. I'll have it as Creo simulated dummy reference. Yeah, just click on OK. Okay. So now whatever done, there is a model being created. I'll just show you what exactly it is. I will show you what exactly it is. Just click on mold opening, define steps, then define move, select on the cavity, then click on OK, select the edge, and then specify the distance which the cavity has to be moved in the respected direction. I have taken 50, enter. Then again define move, same thing I'll do for core. Yes, okay. Now I'll just select on the edge. I'll have it as -50. Done. Okay. So now I'm having my core cavity split. So this is how it looks. But I'm able to see all the unwanted steps. I don't want to see. I'm able to see the original part. I'm also able to see the parting surface and all, which is quite. To eliminate this thing, what we have to do is we will blank and unblank. So that is the icon we can see here. Just click on this is blank and unblank. Just click on over here and then click on the part which we don't want to see. So this is the original part. I don't want to see this part. Just click it on blank. This is the another simulated dummy model. We'll have this thing on the component. Go for volume. The parting surface is, but I don't want to see the parting surface. Click on OK. Fine. Now if you open the model, this is fine. Okay, you can also see the parting line what we have drawn over here. So if you don't want to see even the parting line, what is this? Just click on over here and click on the identity. Yes, it is done. Now if you can open the model, so that is with a simple core cavity extraction of a plastic part.